Hello, welcome to this video. This is going to be hopefully a breakdown and a brief history of why we decided to put this monstrosity into our back garden. So, as you may have seen in some of our other videos, links may be attached to the bottom. I don't know how to do that, but we'll try. Of me and my wife building a shepherd's hut, which is in the front garden to the left hand side of this. You'll see it in some of the videos that we've done for this railway carriage. So we thought long and hard and we decided we wanted to put something different. So originally we were going to do something the same. We put another shepherd's hut in the garden, but we wanted something different. So we found this guy, Connor Harrison, on eBay, who was selling shepherd's huts. So I got talking to him, and a bit of banter on communicating through the internet on what he can provide, what he can do. So we were obviously looking at shepherd's huts at the start, and then, as I say, we wanted to do something different. So we looked online and we found that we could maybe convert a railway carriage, and that kind of floated our vote in terms of let's do something completely different. So we went down the route of having a look at a railway carriage, but again wanted to add something. So some of the pictures are some of our inspiration. So we both love the idea of an old-fashioned railway carriage in the garden, but I wanted to put something on top of it. I wanted to put a platform on top, a viewing platform, like a caboose or that type of thing. So we tried to we toyed around. We did some drawings and did some messing about in terms of what that would look like. And I originally wanted just to have a ladder going up the side of the carriage to the platform. But then wifey said, well, hang on a minute, if we're going to put a platform on top, we're going to want drinks on top, and if we're going to want drinks on top, we're going to want to be able to walk up there. So then that spurred on the idea of having a spiral staircase, because we couldn't fit anything else in that we could walk up. But as you can see with some of the pictures, the spiral staircase was absolutely amazing. And again, without the fabricator's help, Mr. Connor, we'd have been stuck, because he was the guy that went out and picked up both the railway carriage and the staircase. He is a fantastic 21-year-old who wants to get into everything, and he was the one who suggested that he really liked to do the balustrades. So we then set about purchasing the treads, and then he fabricated everything that you can see, basically. Because the original carriage, as you can see some of the photographs, there was no floor, there was no nothing. So from that, it grew a spiral staircase. It then needed to support the roof, so we then Connor had to fabricate the pillars that go up inside the carriage on each of the corners to support said platform, and obviously the wheels and the rolling chassis that we have underneath.
So on the hunt for the shepherd's hut wheels, we came across some Cambridge wheels on Marketplace that were quite local. So they're all farmers' wheels for ploughing fields, what I believe. And we grabbed them. I pretty much overloaded the car. I'm not sure I should admit that, but yeah, it was heavy. It's like a gym workout in itself. And then we them up to Connor, who made the magic happen with our ideas.
So my idea about the rolling chassis was to have two wheels. I love, I'm trying to remember the name of it now, it's gone. It will come to me in a minute, I'll put it on the screen. The two-wheel bogies, that's it, the bogies. I wanted to put bogies on it. I don't know why, I just thought it looked better with bogies as opposed to four wheels. I wanted 8. But we played around and come up with this idea, and then obviously you can see from the pictures that Connor managed to fabricate this amazing piece. And in the couple of videos that we just put up is the day that the whole thing got delivered. So that's a bit of a background to why we stuck a railway carriage in our back garden.